Kids channels are pulling in millions of views every single day. Some of them are making $10,000 to $50,000 a month just from ad revenue. Sounds unbelievable, right? Take a look at this. A channel with 2.3 million subscribers raking in 13 million views in the last 30 days. Even with a modest $2 per RPM, that's $26,000 in ad revenue just for 1 month. Now, here's another example. A channel with just 7.5K subscribers pulling in 200,000 views in 30 days. Yes, many small channels are starting to explode. A few years ago, creating a kids channel like this felt like an impossible dream, something only big teams with expensive animators and songwriters could achieve. But today, the rules have changed. You can now do it all yourself, from scripting and animation to music production, all in record time and at zero or minimal cost. Take this video snippet for example. It took me just 5 minutes to create without a team or a big budget.
One big elephant so strong and grand, splashing in the water, playing in the sand.
So let's go behind the screen and start creating your own animated videos. Starting your animated kids song video begins with a great idea. If you don't already have one in mind, that's where ChatGPT can come in handy. Simply open ChatGPT and ask for ideas for an animated music video tailored for kids. It's like having a creative brainstorming partner at your fingertips. For instance, I picked one of the ideas ChatGPT suggested that immediately clicked with me. From there, I asked it to craft a script and write some fun, engaging lyrics. When doing this, I made sure to specify an important detail: no humans. Kids tend to connect best with colorful, playful animal characters, so I wanted the entire video to focus on them. Once I had the script and lyrics ready, the next step was creating a visual roadmap for the video. I asked ChatGPT to write scene-by-scene prompts for the animation. This is where you need to be specific. Ensure that each prompt includes a full description of the setting, characters, and actions happening in that scene. For example, if the scene features a happy elephant splashing water in a jungle pond, the prompt should also describe the vibrant jungle background, the sparkling water, and any other key elements to set the mood. By following this approach, you'll have a solid foundation to generate the visuals for your entire music video. With clear and detailed prompts, it becomes much easier to bring your vision to life. Alright, let's make a song. Don't worry, you don't need any musical experience because there's an incredible AI tool called Suno that does all the hard work for you. First, head over to Suno and sign up with your Google account. Once you're in, click on the Create option to begin your song-making journey. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the Custom button. This unlocks even more options to make your song truly unique. Now, we already generated the lyrics, so go back to ChatGPT and copy the lyrics. Back on Suno, paste your copied lyrics right there. Give a music style that fits your vision. For a kid's song, you can't go wrong with options like kids rhymes or musical. These styles bring out the cheerful and playful vibe that kids adore. Alright, moment of truth. Double check everything: your lyrics, the music style, and any custom settings. When you're ready, click that Create button. And just like that, Suno will generate not one, but 2 versions of your song. Yes, 2 versions, so you have options. Listen to both songs carefully. Pay attention to the melodies, the rhythm, and how they feel overall. Then pick the version that fits your idea perfectly.
One big elephant so strong and grand, splashing in the water, playing in the sand. One, can you see?
One big elephant so strong and grand, splashing in the water, playing in the sand. One, can you see? A friendly elephant just like me. Two little monkeys swinging on a...
Second one looks perfect, so click on 3 dot and download the audio. Alright, so we've nailed the script and the music. Now it's time to bring everything to life with stunning visuals. This is the step where your video truly starts to shine. To transform your ideas into reality, you'll need a powerful text-to-video AI. And let's face it, not all tools out there hit the mark. If you follow all my videos, I'll share every tool I've personally purchased, tested, and found truly satisfying. hailuoai is one of those gems, and I'm thrilled to share it with you today. Open your browser and go to hailuoai.video. Once you're there, sign up using your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button. From the options, select Text to Video to begin crafting your video. Open ChatGPT, find the very first image prompt you created, and copy it. Head back to hailuoai. Paste it directly into the prompt box. You don't need to worry about adjusting any settings. The prompt you created already includes all the visual details, so hailuoai will automatically handle everything for you. After pasting the prompt, just click on the Generate button. Your first video section is ready. You'll need to repeat this process for each of your prompts. Take each image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into hailuoai, click Generate, and watch as all the visuals for your video come to life one by one. Download each video section as soon as it's generated. Once you've downloaded all the sections, you're all set to move on to the final step. Alright, now it's time for the final step, bringing everything together to create your finished video. Since we already have those stunning visuals, you don't need to worry about doing heavy editing. All we're going to do is combine and synchronize the visuals with the audio. For this, I'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut on your device. Click on the Import button to bring in all your video and audio files. First, add the audio file to the editing panel by drag and drop. Next, bring in your visuals. Import them one by one and drop them into the timeline. Arrange them in the same order as your audio so the flow matches perfectly. Adjust each visual clip to align perfectly with the audio. Take your time to ensure everything is seamless. This is what makes your video stand out. If you really want to make your video pop, you can add effects or text. For example, my video also teaches kids about numbers. I will highlight those numbers by adding on-screen text. It's a small touch that makes a big difference, so you can also play with your imagination. And finally, once you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, click Export to save your final video.
Welcome to the jungle where adventure awaits. Let's go on a safari to count the animals. Are you ready? Let's start!
One big elephant so strong and grand, splashing in the water, playing in the sand. One, can you see? A friendly elephant just like me. Two little monkeys swinging on a vine, laughing and playing, having a good time. 1, 2, let's count them now. Two silly monkeys swinging, wow. 3 tall giraffes reaching to the sky, eating green leaves, oh so high. 1, 2, 3, they stand so proud. Look at their spots, what a crowd. 4 speedy zebras running in the sun, their stripes are shining as they have fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, count with me. 4 friendly zebras, wild and free. 5 mighty lions resting in the shade, roaring and purring, what a parade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so near. 5 kingly lions, hear them cheer. Count the animals one by one. Counting is easy, it's so much fun. Elephants, monkeys, zebras too. Join the safari, there's more to do.
I hope you found it helpful and are excited to start creating your own amazing videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. It really helps out the channel.